Investing in real estate is a popular way to build long-term wealth and diversify your portfolio. If you have funds in a 401k or IRA, you might wonder if you can use them to enter the real estate market without facing penalties or taxes. The good news is, with the right strategies and tools, such as a self-directed IRA, SDIRA, or solo 401k, it's entirely possible to leverage your retirement savings to invest in properties while staying compliant with IRS regulations. This process offers the unique advantage of allowing your real estate investments to grow tax-deferred or even tax-free, depending on your account type. However, it's crucial to follow the rules carefully to avoid penalties. In this guide, we'll explore how you can convert your 401k or IRA into real estate investments, discuss the steps involved, and highlight important considerations to ensure your retirement savings work for you in the most efficient way. Open a self-directed IRA through a custodian that allows alternative investments like real estate. This account offers the flexibility to invest in properties while complying with IRS rules. Transfer funds from your traditional 401k or IRA into the SDIRA. If done correctly, as a direct rollover, this process avoids taxes and penalties. Use the SDIRA to purchase real estate as an investment. All expenses, e.g., property taxes, maintenance, must be paid from the SDIRA, and all income, e.g., rent, must flow back into the SDIRA. You or your immediate family cannot use the property personally. Do not pay for expenses out of pocket, only SDIRA funds can be used. Follow all IRS rules to maintain tax advantages and avoid penalties. If you're self-employed, you could set up a solo 401k with real estate investment options, providing similar flexibility to an SDIRA. Work with a financial advisor or tax professional to navigate IRS regulations and ensure compliance during the process.